Hello everybody! Today we're making a very simple but extremely tasty chocolate vanilla cake. We will need 200 grams of flour, 220 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 100 grams of cornstarch, 10 grams of baking powder, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 125 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First you need to break the eggs and add sugar. Mix for a couple of minutes. Pour water and oil. Mix. Sift flour, starch and baking powder. In the end, add the vanilla essence. Mix for a couple of minutes. Grease your baking pan and pour in 3/4 of batter. Add cocoa powder to the rest and add the equal amount of water. Carefully put the chocolate batter in the middle. Then take a knife and create swirls. Bake in 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Let it cool for about an hour and your cake is ready to be eaten. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you!